Need big comfort in a small lightweight package? Bring along the Kelty Linger Highback. It's a chair built for a king. The strong anodized aluminum frame is quick to set up. The frame nearly assembles itself thanks to the shock cords inside the poles. The compact carry bag slips onto the lower supports, so it can't get lost even if the breeze picks up. A quick tip for setup: secure the lower seat corners first, then rotate the longer back poles like this, and finally fit the tips into the upper chair back corners. Now you get to sit back and linger. The tough 600 denier fabric seat with mesh panels provides strength and breathability so you won't overcook, and the padded headrest turns it from chair to throne. The Linger Highback stows easily into its carry case when it's time to chase your adventure elsewhere. Lightweight and compact, yet full-size and comfortable, there's nowhere you won't want to take the Linger Highback from Kelty.